Hi, so today we're going to learn how not to make your yogurt. Quick backstory. Aslam Bhai, sous chef, and I tried to make the yogurt based on what Aslam Bhai had told us, and we made some minor mistakes that ended up influencing the taste of the yogurt. So now I'm just going to quickly go over and tell you how not to make your yogurt and what to do. Step 1, you want to heat your milk. We boiled our milk in the morning when the milk arrived home, so we're not going to bring the milk to a boil. We're just going to warm it. We want to make sure it's room temperature warm, not boiling, and we will not at any point boil or simmer the milk. Once we have warmed our milk, we're going to check the temperature. I am using my little finger. Clean your hands, obviously, before you do this. Dip it in. Keep your hand inside for about 3 seconds and make sure it's nice and warm and it doesn't burn you. Next, you're going to take some of the milk that you've just warmed and put it in a bowl. This was one of the steps we didn't do previously. We didn't take the milk out. You want to do this because you want to add your yogurt culture to the milk before you put it in the bigger container. Okay, now we're going to add 2 teaspoons of yogurt to the bowl of milk. This is from one of our previous batches. Once you have added the yogurt, stir it well, make sure that it's nicely mixed, and then add all of it to your container that has your milk in it. We also try to make sure that the utensils we used were not steel or metal. Once you have stirred this, put a lid on it and wrap it in a towel and put it in a warm place. We like to put our container in our oven because it's nice and warm. Another tip is try not to manhandle your container too much. Once it's covered and all happy and cozy and comfortable, you want to leave this for about 7 to 8 hours. The longer you leave it, the better it is. We opened it and checked it, and then it wasn't completely done, so we left it for another half an hour. And then this is our final result. This is what it looks like. If you look really carefully at our yogurt, you will see that it's not completely level and it's not flat, and the yogurt hasn't solidified completely. This is not our yogurt's fault. This is because the milk that we got given, the milk that we used, it had water mixed in it. So if you're at home, one of the best ways to check to see if your milk is actually pure is by making yogurt. And if your yogurt is completely flat, that means that your milk is pure and ours wasn't, which is why you can see bits of water and a little bit of that coat on top. But overall, this is how you make your yogurt. It's quick, easy, simple, and it's fresh and it's homemade. After the 7 to 8 hour process, you're going to want to put your container in the fridge and enjoy it in the morning.